All right, just a really quick resource that I want to share today, but there's a ton of stuff in it. It is the Goddard Visualization Studio from NASA, and they have all these data sets that they have taken, and some of them are static images that you could use if you were printing things. A lot of them they've made into GIFs or into just really short, like 1-minute little videos that show how something has been changing over time. So you can see that there are a lot of them. I'm just going to recommend two places just as starting places if you want to go start poking around. So the first one is this featured section. A lot of the things in this section are good for our middle school and earth science standards. There are a few things that might fit in with the other high school standards. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. They have some COVID things here. So this data set, they looked at the reduction in pollution due to quarantine. And so you can see they've got some of these are GIFs, and they've got some that are just static images that you could download, you could print, you could put them in a slide. And then they also have some that are videos. So you can see this is just a short video showing how it changed. So there's a lot of different formats that you can use for whatever it is that whether you're using Canvas or you're printing things for students. And then the other place that I would go just as a starting place is to the galleries. So in this one, they've kind of put things in collections. And so you can see there are a lot of them on a lot of different topics. Let's look at this Landslides one. So Landslides is something that fits really nicely into our 8th grade core on the natural hazards and being able to predict them, and then also with earth science. And so you can see they have several different data sets with landslides. And so, this might be, as we're getting into thinking about natural hazards and how they affect humans and how humans affect the earth, and then also our engineering standards in earth science about engineering solutions, this might be a good starting place getting into that. So this one has a lot of videos that show landslides and how there's some information about what causes landslides and how the frequency of landslides might be changing. And then also there's information about fatalities due to landslides. So I hope that you have a chance to go poke around. There's a lot of really cool data sets here that you could use with students, or maybe there's something here that is just interesting to you that you want to go look at.